All right, just like everything else other than my life, basically. Okay, it's popping, ain't it? I don't know if it's popping or not. Well, I'm running a sound check, but since I was running a sound check, I said I might as well go ahead and try a new format at the same time, you know. And if you've been around me for a while, you know, that's what I do. Hence the name KG in the lab, you know, always tinkering. My mom used to always say, boy, sit your butt down somewhere. Literally up until the day she left this plane, she was saying that, would you just sit down? I'm trying, mama. I'll be trying to sit down. But you know, I got all those letters, the A's, the D's, the P's, a couple of Q's in there. But anyway, so here we are, 2026. I'm trying this, just taking up the cuff. We got 5 minutes and see what's gonna happen. I'm really into my friends list, so that's what I want to share with you guys. I actually made a specific playlist to keep up with the latest friend stuff that I've been getting. And to give you an idea of my friends, they consist of artists, non-artists, industry people, so on and so forth. And I just want to dig a little bit into this. And we're just gonna shuffle it. And now, oh yeah, because I took it out of the, if most of you all are familiar with how Apple Playlist is, you know it shows the names of the people, but for anonymity, I'm not gonna say the word, come about to screw it up. Anonymity? Anonymity. If I had to sing it, I probably would be able to say it. But okay, so we're just gonna shuffle and see what comes up and just chit chat for a while. Do y'all mind? Spend 5 minutes with me? I got 5 minutes to spare. Do you have 5 minutes? Ooh. Nice one to start off with. Did I turn? Let me make sure I ain't got it turned up. Hold on. Oh. There we go. Woo! Yes. Y'all know that Will Downey does a version of this also. Best I can for you. But it seems it's not enough. Oh, yes. Angela Bofill. Where can we start? Oh, it's not what you want. Yeah, I am that annoying person at the concert who sings along with the artist. And believe it or not, that's how I started the YouTube channel, doing that. And people be like, why are you singing all over the song? Because they was taking stuff down if I didn't do something on top of it. Now we know. But they still might take this down too. And you know it's true. Don't you think I'm good enough for you? So, which version do you like better? If you've heard the Will Downey version, do you prefer Angela's or Will's, or both of them are just as equally as wonderful in my opinion? Lemon water, hot lemon water, it'll change your life. Oh, can't you see that you're hurting? Oh, this pain to stop. So if you really care, I mean, really, really care, but then open up your